Companies using both Granta Selector and Granta MI Pro can add materials data from Granta Selector to MI Pro materials data. An MI Pro exporter is available alongside the other existing exporters, allowing Selector users to quickly create a material card with properties supported in MI Pro. Material cards exported from Granta Selector in this way can then be imported into MI Pro using the Import application. In the Import application, click to browse for the material card file, or drag it into the panel, then click Import. The status, completed, means the import was successful. Go to MI Explore, and perform a hard refresh to reload the data. The new material is automatically designated as in-house and non-preferred. Find and view the new material, and review, modify, or complete the data.